autoimmune inflammations, genetics, chemical pollutants, and brain chemical electrical balance. Recently, I came to have a meeting with one of my friend who was suffering from autoimmune conditions. He was a subscriber of mine and his communications made me really very sad. He told me that he wanted to know more about this because he found some of my videos informative. I was also in search for a cure for this type of autoimmune dangers, because if somebody gets caught, they suffer the consequences lifelong. Why more people are getting affected of this? Immune system overfiring can be because of environmental factors. That means acidic chemical environments. That means foods kept in refrigerators for a long time and using it again makes so-called food resistances. The acid rain affects increasing H+, Cl icons, Fl icons, an environmental contaminant that reaches stomach and sets your brain reality. If your brain reality got set before 25 years, without exposure to these chemical factors, your brain can overpower. Brain overpowering environments such as intense stress caused by B1 B6, B12 deficiencies. Stressing over anything for longer time affects your immune system. That means this triggers AB lymphocyte, T lymphocyte actions. Unnecessary fear of the mother during child brain development is another reason for most of this problem associated with brain overpowering. This can affect your child, like autism, ADHD, scleroderma, lupus etc., later in their life cycle, adolescent age or about 20 to 45 years of age. That means when we say about brain electrical overpowering and excess protein or collagen synthesis, it's energy of the environment related. What this causes is unbalanced energy chemistries acting weirdly on the immune systems, causing wounds, causing inflammation, and body will try to heal those wounds using building blocks. These are the main internal and external environment factors that triggers autoimmunity. Genetics means you got programmed by long history of family. People generally underestimate this by saying, a curse followed through ages. How it's related to brain and how to set up your child's brain. Inflammations are necessary evils. Zero inflammation is equal to zero wound healing. Basically, when we say about wounds, this can be physical, in mind or the environment which set up your brain. Many people say, addictions or for example watching porn for long time is not a problem for their mind inflammation. But long time this can cause inflammation in your mind, triggering involuntary responses. Similarly, inflammation for long time exposure, your body can't heal naturally. Because this will exhaust your entire systems. It's generally called oxidative stresses. When your body can't supply the wiring vitamins B1, B6 and necessary energies, it will trigger a craving for energy, and this is actually manifesting as protein overfiring, immune overpowering. It's without your awareness, your settings got changed. It's similar to conditional reflexes. Taming your energies, because of overpowering deficiencies. What is the permanent cure? Inflammation left unhealed for a long time. People pondering their traumas and experiences for long time or programmed before parturition, must actually initiate their wound healing. The problem is individual setting time as between zygote formation and 25 years. After that things will become extremely difficult. After that stage you can have only electromagnetic communication between your brain and body. Of course small conduction is there, but this too through tiny diffusion capillaries. That means your brain wiring always show this malfunctions entire throughout bodies and actions. Setting the ionic energy reality a cure. It's the only cure for these diseases. Replacing the exhausted protein energies, inducing increased energy flow to brain through magnetic therapies, because your hair carries those healing energies to brain through evening sunlight, preventing harmful radiation and adding healing channels of energies is the only option. Actually, my thoughts for these inflammatory people is go in search of plant-based chemicals. Because plant proteins produced through photosynthesis is the only source for your healings. That means some plant proteins have balanced anti-inflammatory actions. English medicine like corticosteroids have damaging effects. Remember, when everything is replaced, connected back to the proper energy polarity and your brain sets the rhythm, it's a way to complete healing. The only danger associated with RNA protein is it must be in lesser quantities for your body to read. Next is about pressure, temperature, digestion, circulation, respiratory balance involved in these. RNA protein chemical molecules many possess dangers in excess quantities.